Hey there, Karma Guy here. If you're in the market for a fantastic vehicle, you won't want to miss this one. This beauty has very low miles, only 68,000, and it's a one-owner car. It's got a full dealer service history, so you know it's been well taken care of. We recently performed over $1,175 in service on it, and it comes with the current Georgia State Emissions certification. What's even better? It's dealer certified pre-owned, backed by our Quality Plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles of coverage. Plus, you can grab a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted rate when you buy. And don't forget to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option available at the time of sale. The recent service included everything from spark plugs and a thorough pre-delivery inspection to new front and rear brake pads and rotors, an air filter, and a fresh oil and filter change. As always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection so you can buy with confidence. Come on down, take it for a spin, and see why this car is the perfect fit for you. Let's get you driving today.